Hey Kyle, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And the first thing that I'd say is that this is super clever. I love your name. Looking through your website here, you have a nice looking site. I would recommend, just to help with your conversion rates with your traffic, a form or a click to call button. And then I would add some more content on your homepage. Google has crawlers and they are crawling the internet 24/7. So they look through all the website's content that's on there, what these photos are saved as, seeing what keywords you have on there. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout it. And here is an example of a keyword. Dallas Foundation Repair. And so when your customers are searching this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. But if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses is you have a Google business profile that has more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp. And then you want to have a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing. And this is where your website would be ranking. And it's important to be on this first page because 90% of people stay on this first page, and you want to be up as high as possible. So let's take a look at this #1 ranking website for that keyword. I have Premier pulled up. It'd be really easy to outdo them with content, but let's take a look at the back end of each one. So I have Premier plugged into Ahrefs first. We're going to look at some ratings taken from Google data. UR and DR, these are just ratings for the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. So they have 35 and 7. And what's making up their ratings here are their 3.22 thousand backlinks that they have, and those are coming from 188 referring domains. And so it's important to know that not all backlinks are created equal. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, and there are spammy ones that will harm them and bring them down. So you want to be intentional when you are choosing backlinks. And then Premier has 291 keywords on their website. So let's take a look at yours. I have your website plugged in here, and you have 25 and 0.7 coming from your just over 1,000 backlinks from 111 referring domains, and you have 189 keywords on your website. And so what you'd want to do is bring these numbers up so that you are beating your competitors. The way that you do that is getting good quality backlinks. And you want to make sure that you have all of the buyer intent keywords that you want to target on your website. Now, one way to get good quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You would go into these backlinks here that Premier has, and then you would link them to your website as well. Because if it's working for them, it would work for you as well. And let's go into some of the keywords that they have. So here are some keywords on their website that they're ranking for, so they are getting some traffic from it. Foundation Repair Dallas. 1,000 people are searching for this every single month. Dallas Foundation Repair, 150, 180, 100, and this list just keeps going here. And so in order for you to get some more traffic to your site, you'd want to make sure that you are ranking your Google business profile, so add some citations there, as well as have your website with more trust and authority so that you're ranking higher, so have more high quality backlinks added. And then you'd want to have more content and buyer intent keywords on your website. And I would love to know if this video was valuable for you. And so if you will, let me know if it was helpful. And I'll let you know the joke of the day. Thank you for watching.